Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. Cotton futures have declined significantly, falling by 20 to 30 points. The US dollar index has also strengthened, rising by $0.513 to $98.312. Wheat prices are steady, fluctuating within a half cent of unchanged in the three major markets. The market ended on a lower note due to limited buying interest, with CBT soft red wheat futures declining by 5 to 6 cents across the front months. Soybeans experienced a rebound in value, with prices rising by 2 to 4.25 cents for near-term contracts. The national average cash bean price increased by 4.25 cents to $9.44 1/4. Soy meal futures were mixed, with some contracts up and others down. Corn futures closed lower on Tuesday, with the front months down by up to 2 cents due to technical selling pressure. The current cash corn price is $3.77 per unit, while the average closing price for December contracts so far this month is $4.20. Cotton futures closed the session lower by 68 to 71 points for near-term contracts. The US dollar index rose $0.513 to $98.312, while crude oil prices increased by 36 cents per barrel. In cotton sales, the SEAM reported 633 bales sold at an average price of 60.70 cents per pound on October 6. U.S. stock markets experienced a decline, with the S&P 500 index falling 0.38%, the Dow Jones Industrials Index declining 0.2%, and the Nasdaq 100 index dropping 0.55%. December S&P and Nasdaq futures also fell by 0.37% and an unspecified amount respectively. The US dollar index, DXY, surged by 0.48% to a 1.5-week high, building on Monday's gains, following hawkish comments from the Federal Reserve. Kansas City Fed President Jeff Schmid emphasized the need for continued pressure against persistent inflation. The U.S. stock market has seen a mixed performance, with the S&P 500 index rising by 0.38% and the Nasdaq 100 index increasing by 0.55%. In contrast, the Dow Jones Industrials Index has only risen by 0.2%. Soybean prices have rebounded, with futures currently trading 2 to 3 cents higher. This follows a gain of 2.414 cents on Tuesday. The national average cash bean price has increased by 4.25 cents to $9.44 1/4. Sugar prices dropped on the New York and London exchanges, closing down 1.07% in New York and 1.38% in London. Prices had initially risen to a 1.75-month high before reversing direction and declining. Corn prices have slightly increased by 1 to 1.5 cents in early morning trading. This follows a pullback of up to 2 cents in futures contracts on the previous day due to technical pressure. Open interest has risen, with preliminary data showing an increase of 16,797 contracts. The wheat market closed, with a decline due to low demand, resulting in soft red wheat futures decreasing by 5 to 6 cents and Kansas City hard red winter, HRW, futures losing 3 to 4 cents across the front months. Key takeaway: a successful investor has shared a crucial skill that followers can use to achieve success in the market. U.S. stocks have rebounded from a previous decline, with most major indexes advancing and the tech-heavy Nasdaq showing significant gains. Dividend Rank formula identifies inexpensive stocks. With strong fundamentals, a proprietary formula evaluates thousands of dividend stocks based on two key criteria: solid financial performance and undervalued prices. The resulting rankings highlight stocks with the best combination of strong fundamentals and attractive valuations. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.